How to remove payment method from Temu application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to remove your payment method on Temu, here's what you need to do. So first thing first, just open up your Temu application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And as you can see, since I've already logged into my account, I'll simply navigate to my use section from the bottom right corner, then simply go to settings, that is top right corner. So once you head over to your settings, simply find your payment method option. As you can see, I've just located it, and since currently I don't have any payment method, so you can just tap on the particular payment method or choose the card or such as credit card or debit card which you have previously attached, and simply click on delete or remove option, then confirm the action. And once you do all of that, just like that, you should have successfully removed any sort of payment method from your Temu application. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.